Welcome to this video where we want to get to know the git add command. The add command adds file contents to the index. The index holds a snapshot of the content of the working tree, which is the content of the files at the time of the add. This snapshot will be taken as the content of the next commit. This means, after making any changes to the working tree and before running the commit command, you must use the add command to add any new or modified files to the index. The add command can be performed multiple times before creating a commit, but there will be no commit without an add. I'm here in our My Personal Project repository and I will create some files and folders now for demonstration purposes. Okay, I have created file.txt, then I have created folder 1 and folder 2, both containing 2 files. We can use the git status command to see what's going on in our repository. You can see file and the folders are marked in red, which means they have not been added yet. So what we can do now is simply use the add command. We can add file 1, for example, git add file.txt. If I use the git status command now, we will see that file.txt has been added to the index. So file.txt is marked as a new file and it's green now because it has been added to the index. You can do the same for folders. Git add folder 1, for example. If I'm using the status command now, you see that file.txt has been added, as well as folder 1 with file 1.1 and file 1.2. I want to create another file now to show you that you can add also everything at once. So now we have file 1.txt and folder 2, and if I'm using the git add command to add everything, both should be added. Git add dot means add everything in this folder. And now you can see that file 1.txt and folder 2 completely has been added. So what we can do now is change a file, and then you will see that this file needs to be added again with its new content. So let's use file 1. And if I'm using the git status command now, you will see that file 1.txt is marked red because the content has changed. So you can see that file 1 is still added, but without content, because that's how we created and added it. And it also shows that file 1 has been changed because we added the content test. So if I want to commit file 1 being empty, then I would leave it as is and could create my commit now. If I want to add file 1 containing test, I would have to perform the add command once again. So I can do that now. And what you see here as well is that file 1 is still contained only once, but this time with the content test. I think that's everything you need to know about the git add command. You see it's pretty easy to use. What you have to keep in mind is that if you change a file after adding it and you want to have the change being committed, you would have to execute the git add command once again. You can add a single file, a single folder, you can add everything at once. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you learned something. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content. If you have any questions, feel free to write a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.